Hey guys, we really need your support and motivation to keep this going. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Question 21. Which of the following statements best describes the purpose of enterprise architecture? A. To allow an enterprise to exploit the latest trends in technology. B. To enable the CIO to take effective control of the business units across an enterprise. C. To ensure compliance in an enterprise to corporate auditing standards. D. To optimize an enterprise into an environment that is responsive to business needs. E. To provide a set of standards that all actors must adhere to within an enterprise. Correct answer is option D. Question 22. Which of the following statements best describes how architecture principles are used within the ADM? A. They are used to define the framework and detailed methodologies. B. They are used to define stakeholders and their concerns. C. They are used to determine the readiness factors impacting the organization. D. They are used to guide decision-making within the enterprise. E. They are used to resolve and dispose of requirements. Correct answer is option D. Question 23. Which of the following statements about TOGAF building blocks and their use in the ADM cycle is correct? A. Building blocks become more implementation-specific in phase E. B. Building blocks in phases D, E, and F are evolved to a common pattern of steps. C. Building blocks should be identified in abstract form as part of the preliminary phase. D. Building blocks should be first selected in phase D. Correct answer is option A. Question 24. Which one of the following is an objective of phase A of the TOGAF ADM? A. To allocate the resources needed to implement the architecture project. B. To define the framework that is going to be used to develop the enterprise architecture. C. To define an IT strategy that maps out the technology infrastructure. D. To prepare a solution architecture for the enterprise. E. To secure formal approval to proceed. Correct answer is option E. Question 25. Complete the sentence. TOGAF 9 Part 3 provides a set of resources that can be used to adapt and modify. They. A. Architecture capability. B. Architecture development method. C. Architecture landscape. D. Architecture repository. E. Enterprise continuum. Correct answer is option B. Question 26. Which of the following best describes how TOGAF defines an enterprise? A. Any collection of organizations that has a common set of goals. B. Any corporation with more than 10,000 employees. C. Any organization involved in commerce. D. Any organization whose stock is traded. E. Any set of organizations based at the same geographic location. Correct answer is option A. Question 27. Which of the following is an objective of phase B, business architecture? A. To confirm the ability of the enterprise to undergo change. B. To demonstrate how stakeholder concerns are addressed in the business architecture. C. To develop a target technology architecture to support the business. D. To finalize the architecture vision and architecture definition documents. E. To maximize the business value from the architecture. Correct answer is option B. Question 28. Which section of the TOGAF template for architecture principles should highlight the business benefits for adhering to the principle? A. Implications. B. Name. C. Rationale. D. Statement. Correct answer is option C. Question 29. Which of the following is defined by TOGAF as a representation of a system from the perspective of a related set of concerns? A. Architecture building block. B. Capability architecture. C. Statement of work. D. View. E. Viewpoint. Correct answer is option D. Question 30. Complete the sentence. The TOGAF architecture governance framework includes A. A list of responsibilities for running an architecture board. B. A model for governance including process, content, and context. C. Guidance for establishing an architecture capability using the ADM. D. The architecture compliance review process and checklists. Correct answer is option B. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this effort, please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up.